You're listening to the Winsight Podcast Network.
The future of 7-Eleven is up in the air. Grocery prices continue to fall, and Ahold Delhaize posted a solid quarter. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top headlines from CSP Daily News and Winsight Grocery Business. I'm Heather Lally, Editor-in-Chief at WGB.
And I'm Steve Holtz, Editor-in-Chief at CSP. 7 & I Holdings investor Value Act Capital is gaining support in its campaign to get the retail company to spin off the 7-Eleven convenience store chain. Ahead of 7-Eleven's parent 7 & I's annual meeting of shareholders on May 25th, Institutional Shareholder Services, or ISS, is supporting Value Act's efforts to bring a change of strategy and leadership to the Tokyo-based convenience store company. ISS is recommending that shareholders elect all 4 of the investors' board of director candidates, according to Value Act.
Grocery prices again fell month to month in April amid downticks in food inflation and the overall consumer price index. Food at home prices dipped 0.2% from March to April after a 0.3% decline the previous month and decelerated to annual growth of 7.1% in April. That's from 8.4% in March. In a TV interview on Good Morning America, Kroger CEO Rodney McMullen said the rate of food price increases should slow over the year.
Ahold Delhaize on Wednesday delivered solid first quarter results, which were driven by its strong U.S. banner performances. Ahold Delhaize is a parent of grocers Food Lion and The Giant Company. The retailer said U.S. same-store sales, excluding gas, rose by 6.2% in the company's first quarter of 2023. Other U.S. highlights for the retailer saw net sales up nearly $14.8 billion, or 5.7% at constant exchange rates, and up 10.5% at actual exchange rates.
The CEO of Arko Corporation used the company's first quarter earnings call to put its largely dismissed offer to buy TravelCenters of America behind him, while also defending the company's ability to close transactions. The comments come 2 weeks after TA rejected Arko Corp's competing offer to an accepted bid from oil company and retailer BP. In his comments, Ari Kotler said, quote, "Our repeated attempt to engage with TA's management and board were met with fear and resistance, resulting in a more public conversation through press releases and filings rather than productive discussion. We are focused on continuing our acquisition strategy to bring value to our stockholders."
Chedraui USA, parent company of grocers El Super, Smart & Final, and Fiesta Mart, announced plans to open 5 new stores, remodel 40 more, and develop a 1.4 million square foot distribution center this year. The Los Angeles-based company aims to open 2 El Super stores in Las Vegas, Nevada, and San Isidro, California, and 3 Smart & Final stores in the California cities of Madera, Lompoc, and Lancaster.
Vapor products are changing in the convenience store industry. Rather than looking solely at what the customer wants, retailers must consider what's legal to sell, and that pool is shrinking. C-store retailers shared their insights with CSP on how to navigate challenges in tobacco. Read more on cspdailynews.com.
Sprouts Farmers Market, which recently announced plans to close 11 unprofitable grocery stores, has a couple of grand openings on its agenda as it looks to open about 30 locations this year. On Friday, Sprouts is scheduled to debut a new store in Manassas, Virginia, becoming the grocer's second location in the state. In Florida, Sprouts is looking to hire 80 full and part-time employees for its upcoming Fort Myers store, scheduled to open on July 21st.
It's critical to develop retail programs that lead to consistent experiences. That's according to Greg Ekman, Director of Fresh Food and Proprietary Beverages at Thornton's. Speaking at CSP's recent Dispensed Beverages Forum, Ekman said that making sure equipment works, for example, is part of the consistency goal and is more important than the actual product. With loyalty programs, he said, think big. If a retailer starts with a simple bubbler, that's all it's going to be.
Grocery e-commerce platform provider Mercatus has partnered with technology marketing company Eagle Eye with the goal of providing more personalized digital promotions. The partnership will create a, quote, seamless, engaging, and tailored online shopping experience for their customers and improve the overall performance of their loyalty programs, the company said.
Spartan Nash is rolling out the Simbi Tally shelf-scanning robot to 15 stores under the Family Fare and Martin's supermarket banners in Michigan and Indiana. The robot travels the aisles and scans thousands of products daily to track inventory status, pricing, and placement. Spartan Nash's D&W Fresh Market banner had previously piloted Tally at some locations.
That will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News or winsightgrocerybusiness.com. I'm Steve Holtz.
And I'm Heather Lally. Have a great day.